Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with the brand new Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Bronzer. I was so excited for this launch, and look how ginormous this thing is. Alright, so it's exclusively on the Charlotte Tilbury website. I purchased mine through Trend Mood's page a couple days ago. But I think it officially launched today, which is Friday, May 22nd. So I just wanted to jump right in. So I have foundation, concealer, and powder on, and I have a little bit of cream contour, not too much, no powder contour or anything like that. I didn't want to sit down and do makeup, whatever. I just want to jump right into it. So let's open it. Was not expecting it to be this big. Oh my god, it is ginormous and gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous packaging. If you're obsessed with makeup like me, you're into packaging as well. I just tossed that on the floor. All right, so there are a total of 4 shades. There's fair, there's light, fair, tan, and medium. If I'm wrong, I'm gonna have it listed in the description box. Oh, here we go. This is what it looks like. Doesn't have like much of a smell. Okay, so it's huge. So when I saw the box, I said the only thing I can think of that I have is maybe as big as this is the Marc Jacobs bronzer, and this is the Marc Jacobs bronzer. Let's put them together just in case you're curious. And Marc Jacobs has 25 grams. This one has 16 grams, a whole lot of product in here. This is her airbrush powder, so it's a lot bigger. All right, so let's dive into a little bit about it, and then I'm going to start putting it on. All right, so like I said, it's exclusively on the Charlotte Tilbury website. It retails for $55 US. I mean, the Charlotte Tilbury, but you do get a lot of product. And this is supposed to have the same formula and texture of her airbrush powder, which I used as a finishing powder today, and I love the way it looks. All right, so it's inspired by her one sold every minute phenomenon, the Airbrush Flawless Powder. I didn't realize this powder was that popular, and I'm not going to go into every little detail, but some of the stuff, I have to let you guys know. So it's a matte bronzer, finely milled pigments to blur the appearance of pores and smooth over your skin to make you look like the best, most beautiful version of yourself. They said it's matte bronzing made easy. It says Charlotte's new innovation, next generation bronzer, uses new flawless technology inspired by the finest air, smoothest silk, pore blurring effects of the iconic airbrush family. It has hydrating hyaluronic acid, smoothing silky mica, and hyaluronic acid moisturizes so that the skin appears smoother in seconds. It has blurring soft focusing silica, microfine perfecting powders, magical microspheres. So this, if you own her powder, the formula is pretty much the same. Okay, so obviously I got the shade Deep. Now, before I purchased this powder, I was saying that I don't want a contour powder. I have enough contour powders. I wanted a bronzing powder, and I figured I'll just get the second to last shade. I got on the website and I realized, no, I have to get the deeper shade as usual, and I am happy I did. Now, she also says for the deep shade, to find your shade, if it's suitable for you, if you wear shades 13 cool to 16 neutral in the Airbrush Flawless Foundation, and I wear the shade 14 cool in the Airbrush Flawless Foundation, which is the foundation I am wearing today since I'm using her bronzer. I'm also wearing her Flawless filter in shade 7 as my base. All right, so I have all my comparable foundation shades listed in the description box, but I'm also, as like a general tone, I'm NC50 in matte, just in case you're here for the first time. All right, so let's get into this gorgeous, it looks like a beautiful kind of oyster shell. Love the packaging. So let me give a finger swatch first. Looking at it in the pan, it definitely has like a reddish tone to it. Let's see. Yeah, it definitely has like a reddish tone. Definitely deep enough for a deep skin though. So this is what it looks like. Looking to me, I don't know, more of like a contour shade. I thought bronzing shades are supposed to be a little bit more, I don't know, kind of neutralish orange. I could be wrong. If I'm wrong, guys, correct me. Feels amazing. It feels just like the powder. That nice, soft texture. Okay. So let's get to bronzing. The excitement is real for me. So I'm going to use my Sephora brush that I've been loving, and this is the number 80 bronzing brush. So I'm going to bronze one side of my face first and see how it compares to the other side. This is what it looks like on the brush, looking like very cool on the brush. All right, so oh, this is beautiful, guys. Wow. This just warmed up my face instantly. And it just feels light as air. Look at that. It's beautiful. Wow. And that reddish tone that it has looks so pretty. Let's do the other side. Oh, I love it straight away. I do. This is really nice. Oh. I can just hear her, darlings. This is, okay, I can easily get carried away with this. So I need to stop. And this brush is just putting it on very nicely. There's a brush that comes with it. I didn't purchase that brush. Oh, my hair is such a mess, guys. It's so big. Okay. What do you guys think? This is, to me, stunning. This is absolutely stunning. I feel like I'm just ready for summer. I love this. This is so beautiful. Oh. Oh, this is gorgeous. And the formula, guys, she wasn't lying. It's like, I mean, it's like the powder. It's like silk. It's silk. This is beautiful. All right, so I've had this on now for about half an hour, and I love the way it looks. It's definitely, to me though, a little bit more on the redder side, the cooler side. So I want to compare it with Fenty's Coco Mami. Wow, this is really, really red. I'm going to swatch them both. I just want you to have an idea, just in case you own Coco Mami and you do use it as a bronzer. So these are the two shades, and you can obviously see Coco Mami is just redder than red. So let's just swatch them. So Coco Mami next to this. So this is Charlotte Tilbury, and then I'll swatch Coco Mami next to it, just in case you're wondering. So these are the two. Coco Mami is definitely redder, and the Charlotte Tilbury isn't. This is so effortless, guys, as you saw. I think this would, I don't know about her brush, but I don't think I would use a compact brush with this color on deeper skin. My opinion, I'm no makeup artist or anything, this is just my opinion. I think a nice, loose, fluffy brush like this would be amazing. I just put on some highlighter, no blush or anything. I think I look kissed by the sun. I look summer ready. And I also think this shade can be used as just a contour as well because of the coolness of it. I don't know if she's said that. And oh, by the way, the mirror. Nice big mirror. Gorgeous mirror. This is pretty, guys. I'm so happy with this. I love this beautiful compact. I love how much product you get. It's so nice. And the bronzer that I've been loving recently is the Kosas bronzer. And I'm glad that this is matte because that has like a little sheen. I think this is perfection. Love the texture. Like I said, I'm NC50 in matte. Would it show up on somebody of really deep skin? I always reference Nima Tang here on YouTube. I am not sure, but I think at least 2 to 3 shades darker than me, it will definitely work. So I think it is dark skin friendly. It just melts into your skin so seamlessly. I love it. I just love the way it looks. I think it's beautiful. If you were thinking of getting this bronzer, I think you definitely should. All right, guys, I want to thank you so much for watching this video, and I'm going to see you guys again in my next video. Bye, guys.